South African EdTech Week is an initiative designed by Injini to bring together EdTech stakeholders in the ecosystem. This year's South African EdTech Week was focused on 3 key objectives. We had teachers in the room to hear their voices about the challenges that exist in the classroom.
I'm here at the Injini SA EdTech Week, day 1. I've appreciated the collaborations, the critical thinking that's just happening here has made me, honestly, if I'm wearing a cape now, it's an invisible cape, so that's how I feel right now, like I'm a EdTech superhero teacher, so that's me.
It's been wonderful hearing from those that have been sharing what they're doing and just seeing the prospects of what's happening in the EdTech industry in South Africa.
I got to really explore and understand the effective use of technology in the classroom, so it was great.
We also had an objective focused on promoting sustainability in EdTech.
I've been down in Cape Town for South Africa EdTech Week. It's my first time. I'm here really to learn from the communities here around some of the challenges that we're facing in building the most impactful EdTech and innovation for the education sector.
And our focus, our objective in coming here was to really try and collaborate with a number of the other compatriots, learn and find solutions to some of the problems so that we could scale, and particularly focus on blended learning to try and introduce technology to teachers.
Having lots of fun, interacting with lots of people, lots of interested parties. Our biggest learnings today was from the founders panel discussion.
And lastly, day 3 of EdTech Week focused on promoting sustainability in EdTech. We had 12 fellows who are part of the Mastercard Foundation EdTech Fellowship Program, presenting their different solutions and the impact that they've made in the education space. We're also excited to have Rachel Kolisi from the Kolisi Foundation present in the room, sharing more about the challenges that the Kolisi Foundation has been trying to address in the education space.
Being a part of the EdTech Week 2024 has been super fun. It's been great to collaborate with other EdTech fellows and other EdTech solutions to see what's happening in the EdTech space.
It's been absolutely amazing to be here at EdTech Week and just to be able to speak to a whole lot of people that are interested in our solutions and helping South Africa grow.
Our main focus at Injini this year was really to hear the voices of the people on the ground, which are teachers. It is important to bring all the education stakeholders in one room for them to discuss the challenges that exist in the space. And it's also a great opportunity for collaboration opportunities between EdTech founders that are in South Africa and out of South Africa.